just a quick overview of your learning environment so that you would know where to go and where to start. I'll share screen with you. So here's how your course looks like when you open it. And it opens at this home page. And the home page, you will always see the most recent announcements for this course. I would like you definitely to read all those announcements. Each week I send one announcement. Usually, if there is a need, I would send more. And you should get them into your mailbox. Or if you don't, please always remember that each Monday you should receive one announcement. If you don't see one, just come into your Canvas environment and you will be able to read it right here. So far I sent you already 2 announcements, one with my welcome message and another with the introduction to your academic coach. So I will not be here alone. I will be with the academic coach who also will be communicating with you. Everything is positioned very conveniently here. You start right here where it says start here, and you just go through each page one by one. So let's just start here and see what's going on. So this is welcome to the course. Everything is explained. What is this course about? And all my contact information is also here. There is a link to the course syllabus. There is information about your textbook. There is information about your library, about the technical requirements. We're working online, so all the tech should be taken care of. You should have stable internet connection. Of course, everything about academic integrity and the next steps. So next steps will be review of your course structure, and you just hit next. So here's the course overview, general what we will be talking about here, and learning objectives. So this is something that I expect you to be able to do and to know after you complete this course. And usually one learning objective corresponds to the module that you will be studying. So there are 15 learning objectives total. Then course structure, you will see the course very conveniently separated into modules. And in each module, you will have an overview of the unit, learning outcomes, objective, explanation, how these course activities relate to the learning objectives. And you will see instructional content, you will see the summary, you will see also the link to additional resources. And then you again hit next. And here you will see what I expect from you. Yes, the most important thing that you would really know what's going on in the course. Yes, so I encourage you and I expect you every week on Monday to log into Canvas and see what is going on this week, or what expectations for this week, what do you need to do, what are the deadlines, so that I wouldn't receive a message, oh, I thought the deadline will be on Sunday, yes, instead of Thursday. So in this way, you always will know that this is the deadline and you need to complete everything by that specific day. So there is no excuses unless you really can present evidence that you were were sick, you were unable to complete something, then you should be completing everything on time. Yes. And then also, of course, there are expectations and that I will be adhering to. I will be checking my email and I will be responding to you within at least 48 hours during the work week, Monday through Friday, and I don't respond after my work hours, so after 5 p.m. So this is something that I will be, of course, doing for you. Let's look what else do we have here. Of course, everything about the etiquette, how you should respond to your peers, how to be respectful to other students that you will be interacting with, your do's, your don'ts. And here, Canvas tips for you to know how to use different search engines, different feedbacks, using your mobile phone, different tips and tricks on how you can make all this online submission, online process smooth, yes, and convenient. Okay, here's help and support information, accessibility resources, academic and student support services, library support, technical support, supporting technologies. So all this information is available here. I also want to point out that you will be working with the Pearson Revel, and all the support information is listed here as well. So you can find it here. Technical support for Pearson is listed as well, and supporting technologies, accessibility statement for Pearson is also listed here. Okay, and then this will take you to your first quiz. You will take a quiz after you really went through all the information and also read the syllabus, yes, which is very important. And then you will start taking the first quiz, which is orientation quiz. Before that, you will look through syllabus. Let's look into syllabus. What's going on here? So here is the syllabus, and there is my contact information, there is course description, learning outcome, here learning resources, everything you need to know, and learning activities. So everything that will be happening in our course is very clearly delineated here. Yes, so first of all, you will need to introduce yourself. We will have weekly discussions, and you will have 2 exams, one midterm exam and one final exam. You will have possibility also to receive extra credits, which will be crossword puzzles, and I might have a couple of other very interesting activities for you to do for extra credit if needed. Overall, you will have orientation quiz that is due this week, your introduce yourself blog, then weekly assignments, discussions, Revel assignments, so Pearson Revel, then midterm exam, final exam. This is what you will need to take and to do. Here are all course quizzes, so please study them carefully. Yes, that late work, for example, due to procrastination, will not be accepted. Yes. Late work due to legitimate emergency may be accepted. The due date and time associated with each quiz, discussion, exam, and assignment are stated clearly in Canvas. Of course, pay attention to the plagiarism policies. Especially, it's very important when you are submitting your discussions, we're checking for that. The content that you are presenting should be original, and if you are using resources to support what you are presenting in your discussion, then those references should be properly cited. Very importantly, at the end of this syllabus, you will see a link to a course schedule. So I urge you to download this course schedule because it will have a list of all assignments for every week. For example, Module 1, simply log onto the course via Canvas, yes, and you can check it out. You did it, very good. Here is the link to your course. Read the announcement. Get familiar with the course layout. Download, print, and read syllabus and course schedule. Take the orientation quiz. Introduce yourself. Complete weekly assignment for Module 1. Complete extra credit assignment for Chapter 1. All this is listed here. And then work with Pearson's Revel. Do all those assignments. So first, textbook Chapter 1 reading. Read it. Complete assignment Foundations of Behavioral Neuroscience. Take a quiz. So everything is very clearly listed here, and all the due dates are listed here as well. So usually it's Sunday for everything except for the discussion. But this first week, everything is due Sunday. Already next week, you will see that the weekly assignment, which is discussion, is due Thursday, and everything else is due Sunday. Okay? So have it handy for you somewhere where you can review it at least once a week. I suggest doing it on. This is the course schedule. Also, you will see the assignments as they appear. Yes, you will see them listed here with due dates, and actually you can put them on your calendar if you want to do that. After that, you are ready to take your orientation quiz. The next link is modules, and that is where you will find all your assignments. So this is the course overview, your orientation quiz, your introduce yourself blog, and then module 1. So overview, here you can look at what this module is about. Yes, behavioral neuroscience, introduction, what are the objectives of it. And then we go to the instructional content. Okay, and here is the document of key terms, what you would need to read, and the lectures. Yes, the PowerPoints for this chapter. If there are any additional videos, you also will find them here. Usually you will see quite a few additional videos in next chapters, in next modules. Okay, and here Revel Module 1. So this is the link to Pearson's Revel, where you will find content and assignments for this particular module. Then there is discussion. This week it's what's special about human brains. All the due dates are listed also here. And usually for this type of discussions, I will provide you with some material, yes, that you can use for this particular discussion. And there are some topics, you can choose one of those and write your discussion about that particular topic. However, you are absolutely welcome to find your own sources. The most important that those sources would be reputable sources, that you can trust those sources and use them in your discussion. Actually, I encourage that very much. And when you submit your initial discussion post, as which should be in line with APA formatting guidelines, then you will move to the next part, which is reply to discussion. And here you will need to submit 2 replies to your peers. And this is explanation of the grading for this particular submission. So EC means extra credit assignment. And here's extra credit assignment for chapter 1. This is crossword puzzle. You can see the crossword puzzle that you can complete for this particular module. I also provide additional resources, and here are some additional resources for this first module. For example, you can get familiar with Society for Neuroscience. Yes, it's international society, and what resources are available for you. Comparative mammalian brain collection, ethical principles for psychologists, and code of conduct. All this is available for you. And currently you see only one module listed together with the course overview. And I did it purposely because I want you to concentrate right now on this week, introducing yourself to the content of the course, signing yourself up, preparing yourself up, and completing your first assignment. As we continue with this course, I will open more assignments for you, more modules for you, so that if you want, you can work ahead on this course. There is a calendar which has those assignments for this week already, so you can use it. So that's what I wanted to show you today. Please contact me at any time. I always very happy to receive your messages. If you have interest in brain imaging, in brain-computer interfaces, and you have some questions about that, please also feel free to contact me, and I will be happy to discuss those questions with you. I wish you a very successful semester ahead. I'm looking forward to working with all of you, and I hope to see you maybe at some point in person. Okay, bye-bye.